Congratulations! You've taken an important step that'll take your life in the right direction by getting your very own copy of Power of Visualization. I'm sure what you're going to discover in this actionable, simple, and result-oriented guide will be eye-opening. But before you start on your journey, I want to offer you the opportunity of a lifetime that will bring your transformational journey to light speed. It's an amazing offer that'll be a great complement to your life-changing program. Introducing the Power of Visualization Video Upgrade, the perfect companion to your Power of Visualization blueprint. Instead of reading the book from cover to cover, why not unlock all the secrets in Power of Visualization under one sitting? By watching these videos, you can learn faster than by reading the ebook, as you have a voice and visuals that help you understand better, allowing you to remember what you've learned from this life-changing blueprint, so you can shortcut your way to achieve the happiness you deserve. Here's why you should get this video upgrade. Discover the secrets revealed inside Power of Visualization guide with more clarity so you can easily implement the action steps. Speed up your transformational journey by going through the course, as you know watching a video is faster and more fun than reading. Remember more of what you learned so you can get more results in less time. Absorb what you learn faster from this course with no distraction. Experience personal mentorship as you have a voice that speaks to you, guides you, and grabs your attention with visual graphics. Inside this video upgrade, you'll get 10 premium quality videos of Power of Visualization. Here are the lessons you'll learn from this video upgrade. What is visualization? Does visualization really work? How visualization affects the brain. Perks of visualization. Common inhibitions of the Power of Visualization. Habits that optimize visualization power. Visualization techniques. How to use the power of visualization to achieve your dreams. And much more waiting to be discovered inside. So how much is it for this upgrade? I could easily charge you $497 for the video upgrade considering how your life is going to change. However, I'm not going to charge you that much because I want to help you transform your life and experience true happiness. And I believe the Power of Visualization video upgrade can help you achieve all this in the shortest amount of time compared to just reading the book alone. In this exclusive one-time offer, you'll get instant access to the Power of Visualization video upgrade for just a fraction of its total value. Plus, your purchase of this video course is backed by my 100% ironclad guarantee for the next 30 days. If you're not satisfied with this video upgrade, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. You have my word on it. Just so you know, this offer is not publicly available. This offer is limited only to you because you bought a copy of Power of Visualization, which tells me you are serious about transforming your life. So if you click away or close this video, you won't get to see this offer again. Take advantage of this deal now for a low one-time investment. Click on the order button now to get started today.